Kung gusto mo na yung binayad mo or hinulog mo ay equal sa fund value, then VUL is not for you. Uulitin ko, hindi siya para sa'yo, so better save it sa bank. Dahil ang VUL or yung Variable Universal Life Insurance ay insurance na may investment portion. At ang investment can be lower or higher sa hinulog mo. So pag mababa, nakakalungkot, di ba? Pero pag mataas, nakakasaya naman. Nakakalimutan lagi natin na once we bought VUL products, it's an insurance na mayroong investment. I'll give you a scenario. If you save 100,000 sa bank, if you need it for medical emergency, you can withdraw it anytime. The question, is it enough? Namatay si client, makukuha ng beneficiaries niya. But is it enough kung meron kang naiwang pinag-aaral, pamilyang iniwang binubuhay? Sa VUL, nag-save ka ng 100,000 sa insurance and investment. If you need it for medical expenses, you can claim 500,000 for critical illnesses, 1,000 per day hospitalization. Pag namatay si insured, beneficiaries can get 1 million or higher. Is it enough? I believe not, but it will still higher than what you can get sa bank. Fund value can withdraw pag kailangan mo. Kung hindi, hayaan mo lang siyang tumubo. Fund value can be even used for emergency pag biglang di mo kayang magbayad. You can use that to pay your insurance charges hanggang magkaroon ka na ulit ng kakayanan na bayaran yan. Fund value can be lower or higher, mahalaga meron kang mahuhugot in case of emergencies while you are insured. As I always said, you can both save sa bank at sa insurance. Kailangan mo lang sila hatiin ng tama. Make sure na may kakayanan kang mag-save for emergency while being insured para sa mas malaking gastusin. So nalilito ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon? Aba, click mo na yung blue basket, mag one-on-one tayo para malinawan ka. See you!